Well, in my opinion, kung papalitan siya, because siguro siya ang magiging vice president if Sara will be impeached.
Sino kaya yung mga maaring pumalit kay Speaker Martin kung totoo nga na mapapalitan siya?
Well, in my opinion, kung papalitan siya, because siguro siya ang magiging vice president if Sara will be impeached. Not necessarily to take him down, but to have him higher, because that's what I can foresee, that siya talaga ang standard bearer for 2028. And just my opinion, na mababat lang talaga siya sa ratings. So, possibly, kaya kailangan ma-impeach si Sara at malagyan ng cannot run for office anymore. Then, pero the problem there is, mahina pa rin siya eh. Parang if I could suggest them, they need a more popular candidate for 2028 and just do away with all this political stuff na kailangan pang i-impeach si BP Sara.